I think one of the real important things that Summer Institute and that YWSI do is it allows students to have a real world and a very creative outlet for their mathematics and science knowledge. That's really lacking in our public school system, and even I think in a lot of the private schools too. You can really try to do it, but with everything that students need to do, with their packed schedules, with the packed amount of standards that we're supposed to do for the state of Ohio, it's hard to get everything learned and allow them for some real creativity. And that's one thing that really increases intelligence. It's one thing that increases confidence too. So I think if you're allowed to give students a creative challenge where you guide them but expect them to do quite a bit of the work themselves, that gives them just enormous confidence to actually be able to do it in the future. Once you've learned how to problem solve, you can apply that to anything. So you can end up in any field. If you're going to, if you come here and you decide, I love, the Ohio Supercomputer Center and I love these computers, it's a lot easier for you to feel like you can do that. If you decide, maybe you're not a computer person, but I really did love the biomedical field, or I really love environmental science, or I really do like math, or whatever it is, they'll be able to go do that. One of the students I'm working with wants to be a neurosurgeon, and that's a huge, lofty goal. But if you can solve the problems of, the 3D medical imaging modeling he's doing this week, he can solve the problems of, studying and working hard and figuring out what school he needs to go to, and, and then solving the problems of being a surgeon or whatever he ends up doing. So I would say the problem-solving aspect is the best gift that YWSI and Summer Institute gives to their students.